Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today is basically a continuance video of the chip bag that I did in a previous video. This video is going to be how to make the mock-up of your chip bag. So if you watched a video before this, you should see the chip bag tutorial. So I'm just basically starting from the end of that tutorial to now going ahead and putting it together to make the mock-up for this item. So first thing you want to do is, of course, open up Publisher. You're going to go to New and Landscape. Then you want to go to Page Design, go to Margins, and go to None. Bring in your mock-up. You can purchase these mock-ups off of Etsy for, I believe they're 99 cents. Or you can find one off of Google. The one off Google is not really, it's not as straight to me. So I didn't use that, and it has a white background to it. I couldn't find that in PNG form. So I've got this one off Etsy a while ago. But let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you want to do is once you finish your chip bag, you want to save it as a picture. So what I mean is, this is the chip bag that I've done. You would make sure you have it highlighted. And you can tell from the little circles and squares. Right click on it and go to Save as Picture. Because when you save it as a picture, you can crop it. So once I done that, you will go to Form. I have it highlighted, so I'm going to go to, well, you have to bring it in. So basically, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to Insert Pictures and bring that in. And with this, you don't have to have it the full size when you bring it in, because you're going to have to shorten it anyways. So however it comes in is totally fine. So when you do that, go to Format and go to Crop, because it'll crop better when it's a picture. And go ahead and crop it down. So we're going to do the middle first. So make sure that you're on this little black line. Let me do it again. Hold on. Sometimes it likes to act a little bit. All right, so Format, Crop, and it has to change into that little black piece of arrow. And then go ahead and crop down and crop up. Then crop here and crop there. So that's your middle. Okay, so once you have your middle, you would click off of it, go ahead and hit copy, and then paste. So you will paste it on here. And then you just adjust it to size. So adjust it. Now on the mock-ups, those normally do show if you're doing it in the publisher, so that's perfectly fine. So that'll be your front. Now for the back, you will go back on it, Format, Crop, and then go get the sides. So you would do that one, save it, copy and paste it. What I do to make it easier, I copy and paste it and I put it over here. That's why you see those on the sides. And then go to the other side. And get the red. Click off of it. Copy. Paste it. Take it to the side. Saves you from having to keep going back and forth. All right, go back to Format, Crop, And now you have all that done. So you need the top and the bottom. All right, that's already there. So go bring this up. Now you can either crop these out, and then, you know, like I said, click off of it and then go back and copy and save. You can either crop this out, or you can just go and do another shape because it's just the top. Oh, what did I click on? Shape. And just bring it down to there. And then just change the color. You can do that as well. Same process, same thing either way. Totally up to you. And go ahead and now go ahead and place all your items. All right. Going ahead and putting all these on here. I'm going to delete these because it seems like I made this one a little smaller. So that's what I'm going to use here. Okay. So yeah, I made these ones a little smaller. So that is cool. So I'm going to use that instead. I was rushing when I first did it. Oh. Bring it down. Oh. Bring it down. Girl, get it together. What am I doing? Clicking on the wrong thing on this computer. Alright. So there you go. And then go ahead and bring in the middle. So I'm going to use this middle so I can show y'all. I mean the middle. The ends. Use this one so I can show y'all. And I already have this side. Now, if you want to leave, I don't know why I'm moving so slow right now, but if you want to leave the, if you want to have it all the way closed, you can, or if you want to leave that little bit of room in the middle, where you can see white, just open it up just a little bit. So I have both of these sides to a certain point. I don't know why my computer moving slow now. Crazy thing. Where I can see some white. So how I have it, the measurements for these two is 4.09 by 2.2, and that gives me that little bit of white space in the middle. So to make it look like it's the actual, you know, chip bag. So it just gives you a little bit in the middle. But that's what I came up with as far as how to do my mock-up version of this. Again, you don't have to have that in the middle. You can just go ahead and bring these over. So I would say bring it over one, no, wrong one. That was 4.09, so 10. Huh, 10, 4.10. Still not really much. Oh, duh. Not that part. I was doing it right the first time. You'll just have to resize it again. But you can bring it over just a little bit to make it bigger if you like. I think I actually like mine's just like that. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, that is your chip bag mock up. You can do this however you want as well. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do chip bags. It's all about how you want it and how your customers want it if you're doing it for a customer. So, I mean, you don't have to follow the trend. Dare to be different. That's how I see it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, suggestions, then please comment below. Please like and subscribe as well. And yes, I do know this is kind of off because that's what I did on the last video. So don't judge me. This was for tutorial purposes only. But anyways, thank you, divas. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.